Do you always have your phone or laptop with you? Are you tired of simply scrolling down on social media with no intention of gaining anything? Now is the time for you to start earning money online by simply watching videos, which is a fun and entertaining activity. Who wouldn't want to be paid for their efforts? Look at these people who are earning money in real time and receiving payments for every video that they watch. What makes this even more amazing is that it does not necessarily require any special skills on their part whatsoever. Absolutely, anyone who wants to help out is welcome to do so. Please keep in mind that this is not a good fit for a full-time job, so you might as well consider it for a side hustle instead. But first, welcome to Money Intelligence, where we show you how to make money online in the simplest way possible. Please subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on future videos. Don't forget to click on the notification bell so that anytime we release a new video on how to make money online, you will be the first to know and you will be able to start making things happen right away. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it. Please don't be shy about leaving a comment down below if you have any concerns, questions, or thoughts regarding the video. Let's get back to the video now, shall we now? Before you proceed to the video, please consider the following. This isn't your typical method of earning money by watching videos, so be prepared to be surprised. It's a little out of the ordinary, and you'll need to pay attention to every single second of this tutorial in order to properly set things up. Simply jumping forward will leave you with no idea of what you need to do, and it will be counterproductive to your situation. The very first thing you'll need to do is go to YouTube and watch a video. In exchange for watching videos on YouTube, you will receive a cash reward. However, before we can do that, you must first sign into youtube.com with your Google account. I'll show you exactly how to do it. If you're enjoying this video, please remember to hit the like button and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get back to the video now. All that is required is that you navigate to the upper right corner of the page and click Sign In. After that, you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password in order to access your account. If you don't already have a Google account, you'll need to create one right away. To do so, go to this page and click on the Create Account button on the next screen. To get started, enter your full name in the first two boxes, followed by your completely new email address in the third box. In order to complete the process, you must type and retype your password in the two boxes below as confirmation. Finally, click on the Next button to proceed. Before you can complete the registration process, you will need to provide a few additional details. Once you have logged into your YouTube account, the Explore button will appear on the left-hand side of the page where you can begin exploring. You'll need to select a game from the drop-down menu. What this will do now is display the videos in the gaming specialty that are performing exceptionally well and receiving a large number of views. And it is from these videos that they may be able to make a substantial amount of money online. Choose one of these games as your next step, and you're all set. What matters is that it is liked and popular by many people, and because the gaming industry is so vast and popular, it doesn't really matter which one you choose. You can't go wrong with any of the games available. When you choose any of those games, you'll now be able to find specific videos, and they are all receiving a large number of views, which are increasing over time. You should now close this window and navigate to the second website that we will be using today to collect payment. The second website that I'm about to show you is called 7r6.com. If you shorten the URL of specific videos on this website, you may be able to earn money from it. As you can see, the very first thing that is required of you is to create an account, after which you must shorten a link to any website, for which you will receive payment. In order to pay you for shortening links, they will pay you whenever someone clicks on a shortened link to any website, not just a YouTube video link that you have created. They will first be redirected to an external page where they will be exposed to advertisements before being redirected back to the target site. Advertising is used to generate revenue for the website in this approach, which is similar to the way YouTube generates revenue. And the advertising money is divided between the person who simply shortens the link on this platform and the other party. This is the first thing you will do when you arrive on this website. And, as you're aware, you must first create an account in order to be eligible for payment. This can be accomplished by going to the upper right corner of the page and clicking on the Sign Up button. This will then take you to this screen, where you will need to enter your username, email address, and password in order to register with the site. After that, you will check this box, and finally, You will click the Register button to the right to finish the setup process. When you first log into your newly created account, the screen will look something like this. You can also see your total number of views earned, as well as your referral earnings, as well as your average CPM earnings right here. Click on New Shortened Link right here, and then copy and paste the shortened link into this box to complete the process. The procedure is completed by clicking on the shortened link provided below. After earning a substantial amount of money from those shortened links, you can cash out your earnings by clicking on the withdraw icon to the left of your account page. You only need to shorten links to earn money after you've registered, and the YouTube videos are the ones we'll be interested in shortening after you've registered. Even though you can copy and shorten links from any of these videos, we do not recommend doing so. I'm going to share with you a pro tip for increasing your profits. It is critical that you place a strong emphasis on live videos, and I guarantee that you will see better results and make more money as a result. If you only want to see live videos on YouTube, simply click on the Live button here. Simply put, that's all there is to it. Next, choose any of them, such as this particular one, and click on it. And to find out the URL of the video, simply click on the Share button over here. You'll be able to copy the link and return to this platform where you can paste it into this box. Then, to finish the process, click on Shorten to the right. To make it really efficient, you'll want to repeat the steps I've shown you for at least 3 videos. Just keep in mind that if you shorten as many links to different videos as possible, you will be able to earn more money overall. Once you shorten the links to the various videos, it's time to put them all together in one place. If you want to be compensated, you must first get people to click on the link that you provide. What method will you use to accomplish this? Please don't be worried. I'm going to share with you 2 significant traffic sources. The first is steamcommunity.com, which is a forum where people can discuss anything that has anything to do with gaming. Thousands of postings about a variety of games can be found on this forum. In addition, the site receives millions of visitors each month because we want to share shortened links to YouTube gaming videos with our friends. Because of these 2 characteristics, it is the ideal traffic source for us. Creating an account on this website is the first thing you'll need to do once you've arrived. It is now only necessary for you to create a post on this site in which you will share your shortened links in order to begin receiving clicks. Consider how simple it is to make money online. You can simply sit back and watch as hundreds of thousands of clicks pour in from gamers and other internet users all over the world, with the exception of Steam. Another option is to use the moot.us website, which allows you to share your shortened URL. With Steam, you can simply repeat the procedure that you used previously. Simply follow all of the steps that I have just described, and you will be successful. You will be astounded by the volume of traffic that is about to flow in your direction. That's all there is to it. This has been Money Intelligence. Subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and hit the like button. I'll see you in the next video.